Hello everyone, my name is Samarth Verma. I am from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, and I completed my graduation in 2019. So after my graduation, I want to build a career in IT field, but there is no any platform such as Evision. So through my friend, I knew about this Evision internship job internship program, and I did my 45-day job internship program, and I learned about ITIL, CCNA, basic networking, etc. So thank you everyone. Thank you Vision teachers. Thank you HRs for giving me that opportunity. And this type of opportunity really helped me to grow my career in IT field. And I placed at in Bangalore at Barcode India company at 3 LPA. Thank you so much Evision team, and very very thank you to the teachers to give me that guidance, that advices that helped me to grow an IT career. Thank you so much Evision. Thank you.